BSC coins having strong impact on crypto market, and with the passage of time BSC coins become bigger and better. If I say one thing, that if you will hold one altcoin, you will get Ethereum as a reward for holding it, but definitely you will not, and you will never ever take me seriously for this. But in this video I will share a coin, and that coin will give you incentives and rewards in the form of Ethereum. Right now the price of one Ethereum is $3,289, and you have the chance to make some good amount of Ethereum only and only by holding this altcoin. So if you are the lover of Ethereum, this video is only and only for you. Stay tuned.
Feel uninvited.
PCAT V3 is a groundbreaking DeFi project developed by an independent team of the developers seeking to bring an innovative approach to crypto tokens with an attractive Ethereum reward for the holders to make for a highly profitable quality service while using the community voice to refine the underlying protocol. I will share some main features of the PCAT token, that how it will work, and secondly how much benefit you will get. I will share the link of the contract address in the description of this video, so easily you have to copy this address and then you have to move towards the PancakeSwap exchange. Simply you have to paste the address which I will share in the description, then simply add on this icon, and after doing this just increase the slippage tolerance up to maximum 6 or 7 for buying the PCAT V3 token. For example, if you are going to buy it with 1 BNB, you will get up to minimum 1.9 million tokens. So definitely you will make some good amount of Ethereum. First of all, I will share some main features of the PCAT V3. The first one, locked liquidity. All PCAT V3 tokens are locked. Secondly, Ethereum rewards. A portion of the selling tax is returned to holders as Ethereum rewards. The entire ecosystem has a total limit of these tokens. This value cannot be exceeded by any means. This ensures that the supply never goes up by further minting. Appealing tokenomics. The team is going to launch with a 10% selling tax. 1% of all the sales go back to the holders as PCAT V3 tokens. Another 4.5% goes into liquidity, while an extra 2.25% is distributed as Ethereum rewards every 4 days. 2.25% more goes into the maintenance wallet. So overall, the team is not going to take anything from your pocket. A pre-sale buying limit ensures a fair chance of anyone getting to be a part of the movement. The last one thing, anti-whale. Benefits are always wielded by the holders. A selling tax ensures buying pressure is always higher than the selling pressure. So overall, this coin will be huge in near future. I will share the link of the website so you can check out the white paper. Secondly, you can also check the dashboard V1. I'm also going to show you that one. Total liquidity pool, PCAT TBA, and total rewards pool in Ethereum. You just have to connect your wallet to collect your own Ethereum every day. The best part, making Ethereum just by holding one thing. No need to stake, no need to do anything else. Only you have to buy the token, and right now it's in dip. PCAT V3 token is in dip. So you can buy this token here. You can see that if you are going to buy it right now with 1 BNB, you will get up to 2 million tokens. Definitely it will be great in near future. You must have to follow them on the Twitter, because every day on Twitter they share new things about their project. So it's the best time for all of you to take the entry in this token. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, and also share it with me that what you think about the price of this token, that how long will it go. Here comes the entire supply. As per my own idea, it will reach minimum 0.20 or 0.25. What do you think? Do tell me.